Hello everyone, welcome to Info with BL. This is Lakshita Bala. Today's topic is microorganisms. What are microorganisms? A microorganism or microbe is an organism of microscopic size which may exist in its single-celled form or as a colony of cells. It is a living thing that is too small to be seen with naked eyes. We can see it only through a microscope. Who was the first person to discover microorganisms? During the period 1665 to 83, by two fellows of the Royal Society, Robert Hooke and Antony van Leeuwenhoek, the microfungus mucor was the first published depiction of microbes. Robert Hooke, FRS, was an English physicist, active as a scientist and architect, who, using a microscope, was the first to visualize a microorganism. An impoverished scientific inquirer in young adulthood, he found wealth and esteem by performing over half of the architectural surveys after London's Great Fire of 1666. Born July 18, 1635, Freshwater, Isle of Wight, England. Died March 3, 1703, London. He was an English physicist who discovered the law of elasticity, known as Hooke's law, and who did research in a remarkable variety of fields. What is the study of microorganisms called? The study of microorganisms is called microbiology. The father of microbiology is Antony van Leeuwenhoek. Antony Philips van Leeuwenhoek, FRS, was a Dutch businessman and scientist in the golden age of Dutch science and technology, a largely self-taught man in science. He is commonly known as the father of microbiology and one of the first microscopists and microbiologists. Van Leeuwenhoek is best known for his pioneering work in microscopy and for his contributions towards the establishment of microbiology as a scientific discipline. Raised in Delft, Dutch Republic, Van Leeuwenhoek worked as a draper in his youth and found his own shop in 1654. What are the major types of microorganisms? Bacteria, protozoa, fungi, and algae. Bacteria, also called germs, are microscopic organisms not visible with the naked eye. Bacteria are everywhere, both inside and outside of your body. Bacteria can live in a variety of environments, from hot water to ice. Some bacteria are good for you, while others can make you sick. There are also the first found microbes in the world. They were first found in the waters of the first formed oceans. A fungus is any member of the group of eukaryotic organisms that includes microorganisms such as yeasts and molds, as well as the more familiar mushrooms. Protozoa are single-celled organisms. They come in many different shapes and sizes, ranging from an amoeba, which can change its shape to paramecium with its fixed shape and complex structure. They live in a wide variety of moist habitats, including freshwater, marine environments, and the soil. Algae are defined as a group of predominantly aquatic, photosynthetic, and nucleus-bearing organisms that lack the true roots, stems, leaves, and specialized multicellular reproductive structures of plants. How are microbes useful or harmful to us? Useful to us. Bacteria cause the decay of dead plants and animals. Nitrogen-fixing bacteria convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrates. Bacteria are used in the production of vinegar, curd, cheese, etc. Microorganisms are used to prepare vaccines for various diseases. Harmful to us. Microbes cause infectious diseases such as flu and measles. There is also strong evidence that microbes may contribute to many non-infectious chronic diseases such as some forms of cancer and coronary heart disease. Different diseases are caused by different types of microorganisms. What diseases are caused and how to prevent them? Handle and prepare food safely. Food can carry germs. Wash hands often. Clean and disinfect commonly used surfaces. Cough and sneeze into a tissue or your sleeve. Don't share personal items. Get vaccinated. What are vaccinations? How they work and their benefit. A vaccine is a preparation of killed or weakened disease-causing microbe. The process of administering a small amount of vaccine to prevent a specific disease is called vaccination. When a vaccine is introduced in the body of a healthy person, his or her body produces antibodies against these microbes. These antibodies remain inside the body and protect us from further infection by the same microbes. Who is the founder of vaccination? Edward Jenner, FRCPE, was a British physician and scientist who pioneered the concept of vaccines, including creating the smallpox vaccine, the world's first ever vaccine. The terms vaccine and vaccination are derived from variole vaccinae, the term devised by Jenner to denote cowpox. Cowpox and smallpox vaccination. We began our history of vaccinations and immunization with the story of Edward Jenner, a country doctor living in Berkeley, England, who in 1796 performed the world's first vaccination. What are antibodies and antibiotics? Antibodies are Y-shaped proteins produced as part of the body's immune response to infection. They help eliminate disease-causing microbes from the body, for instance, by directly destroying them or by blocking them from infecting cells. Antibody, also called immunoglobulin, a protective protein produced by the immune system in response to the presence of a foreign substance called an antigen. Antibodies recognize a latch onto antigens in order to remove them from the body. Antibiotics are medicines that fight infections caused by bacteria in humans and animals by either killing the bacteria or making it difficult for the bacteria to grow and multiply. Antibiotics work by blocking vital processes in bacteria, killing the bacteria, or stopping them from multiplying. This helps the body's natural immune system to fight the bacteria infection. Different antibiotics work against different types of bacteria. What are viruses? A virus is a small collection of genetic code, either DNA or RNA, surrounded by a protein coat. They can only replicate within a host organism. Viruses can infect a variety of living organisms, including bacteria, plants, and animals. Viruses are so small that a microscope is necessary to visualize them. They have a very simple structure. Often, they kill the host cell in the process and cause damage to the host organism. Virology is the scientific study of viruses. In 1892, Dmitry Ivanovsky used one of these filters to show that sap from a deceased tobacco plant remained infectious to healthy tobacco plants despite having been filtered. Martinus Beijerinck called the filtered infectious substance a virus, and this discovery is considered to be the beginning of virology. Thomas Milton Rivers was an American bacteriologist and virologist. He has been described as the father of modern virology. Here are some colleges that are best for the study of microbiology. How many years you need to study and what degree is needed? Microbiologists need at least a bachelor's degree in microbiology or a closely related program that offers substantial coursework in microbiology such as biochemistry or cell biology. Many colleges and universities offer degree programs in biological sciences, including microbiology. It takes around 3 to 5 years to become a successful microbiologist. If any of you that are watching this video or any of your friends are interested in microbiology, check out the colleges that I showed you in the previous slide. The link is in the description box below. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please do share, subscribe, smash the bell icon and comment down below. Meet you in the next video. Until then...